Hey, welcome to Rooted in Essential Oils. So, I wanted to do something a little different and just take a walk and talk to my people. So, um, I'm basically just walking and I wanted to show you a little bit of nature. I think fall is like a beautiful time of the year. It's my second favorite season. I'm a spring baby, so spring is my number one, but I just wanted to share some of the nature that is happening. If you could see right behind me, we got some of the yellow and green happening, but right over there, I know the video doesn't do it justice, but that is red and orange and a little bit of green. But I just love looking at nature and seeing how beautiful Colorado can be. It's just a beautiful sight to see. So I hope you're all having a great day so far. I don't usually come on a walk. I haven't done it in like months now, but I just find it really majestic right now, this time of year, because things are changing and change is good for all of us. So even with nature in your everyday life, change is a great thing to endure. But here is some nature. We do have some red trees right there. You can't really tell, but they are. And near my home, we have this little pond next to us. As you can see, it's like very fall-like colors. You got the orange, the greens, the reds, the browns. It's just a beautiful time to see. I love Colorado. I wouldn't have it any other way. Yes, we get cold weather, and yes, we do get the snow, but it's not like a year of snow. It's like 4 to 5 months of snow, and then we go into spring or fall. But yeah, it's just a beautiful time, I think. And I love looking at trees. I was infatuated with leaves and trees since I was a little boy. So I love looking at the different colors. And you can see it real close. Just nice. Not sure what tree this is. Maybe an oak tree. Someone's got their hammock up. It's a beautiful time of the year. Some people love winter, some people love spring, some people love summer, but I'm that guy that loves spring and fall. So by my house, we also have these trails that you can walk. And if you love nature, you could definitely walk it. It's free to go in. I've walked it probably at least a mile and then turned back around. Usually in the summertime, it's a lot of bugs. So I don't venture off too far. But I know it doesn't do it justice right here. You can see the Rocky Mountains back there. This is like a dam area, so sometimes this does overflow with water. It's a beautiful, beautiful sight to see. Thank you for joining me. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I hope this nature walk was inspiring, and maybe you have something in your area where you can venture off into and explore just a little bit, even if it's for 10 minutes of walking. But thank you for joining me, and as always, pay for your health now or pay for your sickness later. Till next time, bye for now. Love you.